Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do something fundamental, set up our develop environment from scratch. We are going to configure a virtual machine into the development machine. I will give you step by step through installing the most essential tools. Visual Studio Code, the best code editor, and Node.js with NVM, the version manager that will allow you to work with any JavaScript project. And of course, we won't forget about Python and its package manager, PIP and PIX. What is PIP? PIP is an acronym from Pin Install Packages. It's the standard package manager for Python. It will allow us to install and manage libraries and dependencies from the vast Python community, such as the Django, Flask, or Request. In most cases, when you install a recent version of Python, PIP is already included. Now, let's see how to install PIP in Debian Linux. In this case, we need to open a terminal, copy and paste the following command, and install the package. After that, we need to validate the version of PIP. And here we can see the version 2301. Now let's see how to install PIPX. In this case, we need to execute the command apt-get install PIPX with flag yes. At this moment, we install two Python libraries, PIP and PIPX. Node.js. It's a powerful open source runtime environment that allows you to execute JavaScript on the server side. Think of it as a giving JavaScript the keys to building backend applications, APIs, and pretty much anything a traditional server language can do. In this case, we need to install Node.js. We need to open a Firefox web browser, go inside of the page Node.js, download current, and here we only need to copy and paste the following commands in the page. It's the same for the line 5. After that, we need to install NVM install version 24. This is the last one. And the last step is to validate the version. Here we can see the version 24.8 and the NPM version 11.6.0. Essentially, UV is a modern high-performance Python package and project manager written in Rush. UV is a game changer for Python development, simplifying your setup and drastically cutting down on dependency resolution and installation times. In this example, we see how to install UV using pipx install. We only need to execute the command. And after that, we need to execute pipx ensure path. Okay, that's done. And after that, we need to close and open again the terminal and validate the UV installation. Here we can see that the UV package is already installed in Debian. Now, the last step, we are going to install Visual Studio Code. It's a fast code editor with thousands of extensions that make it incredible, powerful. It's the developer suite's army knife. Now, we are going to install Visual Studio Code. We need to go inside of Firefox to codevisualstudio.com. In this case, we need to download the dev package. We can see in this case the file, open a terminal, and here we only need to install the package. We need to install the Add Microsoft App repository for Visual Code. It's done. After that, we need to go to Activities, search the application. Here we can see the Visual Studio Code. After that, we can click on Pin to Dash. Here we can see the Visual Studio Code. Open, and the Visual Studio Code is already installed in Debian. I hope this video has been very helpful. You know how all the essential tools that a modern developer needs. Visual Studio Code has your code editor, Node.js with NVM for backend development, and Python with PIP and PIPX to manage your project and tools. With this arsenal, you are ready to start building anything from dynamic web pages to powerful backend applications. If you like this video, don't forget leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.